Have you ever wondered if a narcissist can truly change? Imagine the person who hurt you suddenly showing real empathy and love. Is it possible? Let's dive into the surprising truth about narcissism and change. First things first, let's break down the basics. Narcissism and empathy are like oil and water. They just don't mix, right? We all know that narcissists can be pretty self-centered. They're not exactly known for their ability to understand or connect with people's feelings. And on the flip side, empathy is all about being able to put yourself in someone else's shoes and show some love and compassion. Now, it seems like a tough change for them, but is it possible? Well, it's no secret that narcissists often struggle to build meaningful relationships because they're so focused on themselves. And that can make life pretty lonely and make it hard for them to feel that deep, meaningful connection with you. But here's the big question. Is change even possible for someone with narcissistic traits? Well, the answer is complicated, but surprisingly, yes, there is hope. By diving deep into their own experiences and subconscious beliefs, they can break away from their self-centered ways and create healthier, more satisfying relationships. Now stay with me because this comes with a warning. This process involves rewiring their blueprint of the world and changing their subconscious beliefs, the very same beliefs that are causing pain and preventing them from experiencing a deep, meaningful connection. Now with me, that means a powerful journey of self-discovery that can lead to some pretty awesome changes in how you think and act. But for a narcissist to truly change, they first need to recognize their problematic blueprint of the world, where control and manipulation are their tools for feeling safe and loved. Then second, they must genuinely want to improve and change. Now, these two factors are crucial for long-lasting transformation, but this comes with a warning. Knowing that this journey is possible is dangerous for you. And the reason I say that is because narcissists are naturally drawn to people who have something they don't, and that's empathy. And they feed on your empathy like a vampire. They may seem to be on the path of healing because they are good at faking empathy, making temporary changes, and love bombing you, but they do it to fuel your hope that they are starting to change so that you become more willing to overlook or forgive their abusive actions, which is how they continue to trap you inside their cycle of abuse. So what's the bottom line here? Can a narcissist change? Here's the deal. While changing might not be easy, it is absolutely possible for narcissists to turn things around if they put in the work. But remember, growth starts with a single step and a willingness to change. And the truth is, a narcissist must genuinely want to commit to the process of changing their blueprint of the world, which really means changing their subconscious beliefs so that a meaningful, lasting transformation can occur. But that's not likely to happen because narcissists often lack self-awareness and don't see their behavior as a problem, which really means their inflated sense of self-worth and need for control make it difficult for them to admit that they need help and to genuinely commit to the process of change. Now, what that ultimately means for you is that they will stay on the same path and continue hurting you without ever truly developing empathy. Now, it's your turn to chime in. Do you believe that narcissists can change? Have you witnessed a narcissist make positive changes? Share your experiences in the comments below. And please like, share, and subscribe for more insights because it really helps me know what content to make for you next. And remember to watch this next video for even more insights and help. Until next time, take care of yourself.